taga Dolly.
Ako si Chris, taga ECC 12.
Ako si Jem, nasa Dolly 12 po ngayon, naging SPES beneficiary.
I have been a SPES grantee for 4 summers of 1999 to 2002. I have one office assignment in Dole Field Office of South Cotabato.
I'm a SPES beneficiary from Margaret Institute of Technology since Christmas vacation 1997 and 3 summer vacation from provincial government of South Cotabato, detailed at the Dole Provincial Extension Office.
I enjoy all the benefits of being a SPES beneficiary for almost 2 years at LGU Isulan Sultan.
My unforgettable experience for being a SPES baby is siguro yung when I received my first 60% salary from the province. What underlies that very simple experience is that kasi yun yung ginamit ko pambili ng gamit when I entered to my first year college.
Yung bahay namin, papunta sa, yung distance niya, hindi naman masyadong malayo kasi mga approximately 3 to 4 kilometers lang siya. And then, medyo mahirap yung daanan kasi rough road nga. Pero hinahatid naman ako ng father ko papunta sa LGU or munisipyo namin. Tapos, normal na lang siya, normal na wake up time. Kung umaga kasi parang empleyado ka rin, so kailangan gumising ng umaga for you to catch the 8 o'clock na time in. So, maaga pang gumigising. Ganun din ang pag-time out. So, 5 p.m. din ang hapon. At saka, ang pinaka hindi ko makakalimutang pangyayari or experience sa aking pagiging SPES beneficiary is yung during that time, college kasi ako noon. So, I'm able to sustain my tuition fee or miscellaneous fee kasi scholar naman ako with the use of financial assistance na binibigay nga ng pagiging SPES beneficiary. So, yun talaga until now na nakatrabaho na ako, nagpapasalamat ako sa pagiging SPES kasi I'm able to graduate.
Dalian siya rin sa akin during SPES, yung new task na nabigay po sa akin is to compute sa mga period na employment para magawa ng payroll. Naging magandang rin sa akin, may challenge kasi enjoy ako computing na ng mga kung magkano ma-receive sa salary. And
So yung mga challenges ko in being a SPES, especially na my first time being a SPES employee in Dole Provincial Office is yung feeling mo na mag-a-adjust ka to your boss and to your colleagues. And when I found out na ang mga kasama ko ay mga college students na, so I really have adjusted that time. And the fact also na education din yung course ko, so parang
Ngayon, nandito na po ako sa Department of Labor at Administrative Ethics. Ang task po na na-assign sa akin is to prepare the payroll and sa pag-docket ng mga cases, siyempre yung mga remittances namin, and other tasks to be performed assigned by my supervisor. And
So currently, ngayon ako I am the Information Officer of Employees Compensation Commission Regional Extension Unit 12. So ang PCC ay attached agency po siya ng Department of Labor and Employment. So I applied in this position, number one, kasi curious din ako kung ano ang ECC. And second, nag-aspire din po talaga ako dati na maging part ng Department of Labor and Employment dahil na rin siguro sa experience ko bilang SPES at na-assign sa Dole Field Office.
Yun nga, after the experience with the call center, nag-transfer ako sa isang school and I work as IT teacher for almost a year, and then during that time, may opportunity na nag-knock dito sa Department of Labor and Employment. Yung position na yun is Information Systems Analyst. So, nag-apply ako and luckily, I was employed last March 18, 2010 dito sa Dole 12 as Information Systems Analyst. And then, yung work ko ngayon, I'm performing job na related sa information system or information and
So,
5 to 10 years from now, syempre gusto ko rin ma-promote because sa family namin ako ang bread and butter. Bread and butter in the terms of to support my family, also for the future of my son. And then sa family na ginabuild po namin, yun po, syempre kailangan mag-speak up para
Ako naman, I'm certain na dito pa rin ako sa Department of Labor and Employment Regional Office Number 12 kasi po, napamahal na sa akin ang department. At saka, syempre, wishing, hoping, and praying na 5 to 10 years from now is ma-promote to the next position which is
5 to 10 years from now, I might be in Employees Compensation Commission pa rin. And I will also aspire for a higher position, and I will be taking up my master's degree for that. And at the same time, siguro, we will be, or magkakaroon kami ng mas marami pang empleyado.
payo ko lang po sa mga recipient pa, to be, or mga SPES babies, kailangan magsumikap po, maging love po nila ang kanilang work para ma-achieve po nila ang kanilang mga goals. And kailangan maging masipag talaga. Hindi yung bulakbol. Yung iba kasi SPES, pinapabayaan yung halaga ng binibigay sa kanila na opportunity. So, kailangan maging masipag lahat tayo.
My unsolicited advice sa mga SPES at magiging SPES in the future, they should be enjoying their tasks and at the same time while learning that task from the office kung saan na sila ma-assign, and also apply this in the professional world later on pag naging review. And through their experience in SPES, I hope
Ang ma-advise ko naman po sa mga SPES beneficiaries ngayon at saka yung mga SPES beneficiaries to be na yung mag-aral ng mabuti habang may time, may financial support, at saka may opportunity to study, mag-aral talaga ng mabuti at saka pahalagahan ito. Kasi later on, every sacrifices na and in everything you do, put your heart in it.
Audio Jungle.
Ako si Jem.
ako si Chris.
Ako naman si Grace.
Kami ang mga
SPES
SPES
Baby.